Alright. This looks useful. This looks useful. See if this being useful in furnace fixing. Huh? I need your expertise to fix a stupid furnace, Professor. Should I grab something else? I should grab something else. But what? I'm assuming this baseball bat. But it's not giving me the prompt. Pick it up! Pick it up! Oh, god damn it. Oh, maybe this rack. Yeah, I could see this being useful. Enough stuff. Okay. So I got a gnome, a fishing pole, a badminton racket, and a fan. Got 2 wheels, a turning thing with no wheel. Probably just need turning. Clanky's got loads of heat, but I can't get out. To get Clanky all hot and bothered, we teach Clanky to love. Bet I could. Fink could use the racket as a handle. Fan could stay on it, and even if it breaks. Okay. Like the turbines on the mountain by Fort Lucin. God, I remember when everyone was so mad about that. It's gonna ruin the view. It's gonna kill the birds. You know what else is gonna ruin the view and the birds? When a meteor hits the earth because it gets too hot. That's what happened to the dinosaurs. Okay, where was I? Making a basement to rent a badminton racket. So there isn't a lot of wind down here, but like we stick Nomi into the ground. Sorry, Nomi. Put the fan on top of the flat table butt. Feel that pain, Nomi? I have it too. Tie the racket like this. Hey, alright. I should like start a company. Sustainable garbage turbine. Okay, done. What? I think I fixed it. Now let's see what we got here. Yeah, we did. What did you do? Engineered an elegant long-term solution. God damn it. Way to go, May. Please don't fix anything ever again. Like, don't ever even have a pet. Anything you have to maintain. Ah, friggin' crap. I was totally gonna work. This is so typical. I'm gonna check the exit. Wait here. Why am I waiting here? Damn it. Well, we're locked in. I knew that was gonna happen. Stupid bee. We can cut a hole in the floor. With what? Maybe she has an old saw down here. And we're gonna what? Build a heap of garbage to stand on and saw a circle in the floor like a cartoon. Well, not with that attitude. Well, this knob is really old and loose. Maybe I can like figure this out. I'll look around too. Yeah, you go look around a whole bunch. Now can we use the bat? No! The one thing she could hear is the furnace when it was broken. Broken things need to be broken. Oh. That's one tool I don't know how to use. A tool for beating ass. Alright. Let's break the shit out of this furnace. Break it! Ah! Sucky you piece of crap, furnace. Wow, that is pretty loud. Yeah, geez. Surprised I can't hear that back in town. Okay, cool, she's coming, thank God. Thank me? More like, hey, Miss Miranda, you locked us in. Well, that was fun. Uh-huh. You alright? She gave us lemonade. Yeah. You not like lemonade? It's fantastic. Then what's up? Nothing, just tired. Worked all day. I'm all hyper. Good for you. Oh, you are zero fun. Yep. You need, like, some magical shit to, like, give you a new perspective. Let me know when that happens. Wouldn't want to miss it. Alright. Time to head out. Ooh. Do I need to collect all the fireflies? I see. I see what's happening. Wow. Are you like a firefly whisperer or something? They just like me, I guess. You're an interesting person, Mae Borowski. No, Miss Miranda is an interesting person. She's like a mummified dude. Okay, you're a more benign interest. Woohoo! You know, I have to say this would have been much less exciting evening if you weren't along for the ride. See, I'm good to have around. I mean, you can certainly beat the shit out of a furnace. I can beat the shit out of anything. You should, like, channel that aggression you always have into something useful. Dr. Hanks said way back I needed to repress it. Repress? Not, like, learn to deal with it? He specifically said repress. Okay. So do you think Miss Miranda, like, pulled her husband's guts out? Isn't that what you do for mummies? I don't know, May. Do you think he'd have the stomach for it? Nope. It probably took a lot of heart. Yep. I wish she would explain it to us. I get it, May. She really wrecked him. Okay, that probably stayed in place. Yeah, that should stay where it belongs. I'm leaving. Hey, you gotta live your life. Bye. This is me gone. Hey, wait up! You're walking back to town. You got a lot of gall to say that. I'm calling the cops. Hello, Dad. How's work? You know, better than the glass factory, is it? I've ran machines, but now I get to slice steaks and hawk salamis. I mean, it's easier on the back, that's for sure. But, like, do you like it? I like having a paycheck. Fair. Paychecks, the sweetest meats of all. What did you do tonight? Oh, you know, stuff. Tired. Feel like I just did a day's work. You know, there are places you can get paid for work these days. Oh, really? Yeah, they call it working. Huh, you kids with your slang. Slang you could pick up at work. Okay, yes, point made. Alright, good night.